Okay, so this is how you are going to access Journeys online. So if you go to Chrome and then you're going to go to the portal like normal, portal.usd259.net, and I'm actually just going to use Davis's login information. So his his username 750603, and then his password, and I click go. So you are going to be looking for something that says Journeys on it. And it looks like, go to all. Oh, right here. Here it is. Sorry, it took me a minute to find it. So you're going to click on Journeys. And then I want you to go to My Library. And this is where it gets kind of crazy. So if you scroll down and find the Journeys, you're wanting the student ebook. So if you click student ebook, we are in book 5 right now. And then once you go there, you can click on contents and you can click on unit 5 because that's where we are. So we're in lesson 22 this week. So if you click lesson 22 and you click amazing animals, it'll take you directly to this story. And this is basically the textbook that they have in the classroom, but online. So if you go through, you can turn page by page. If there's anything else that you want to see, if you go to contents, you can go through words to know. These are like sight words, which I wouldn't doubt that he already knows some of these, but these might be a good thing to practice. And then dig deeper. If you go here, there's some more questions about just analyzing what they've read, and it gives you little organizers that they could fill out if that's something that you would want to use. And then if you keep going, there's just all these questions that sometimes we use them in the classroom, sometimes we don't, just depends on how much time we have and if the questions are engaging for the students. So that is how you can access the book online. I know it's not the easiest way, but it will work for now. And then if you want to do anything additional with it,